Hello, this small goat, you don't come again, Abi?
Why na every time I call you, you go dey vex? Abi you no wan gree say I be your friend outside football?
You wey dey call me come see side dey vex. Why you no go dey your day make I dey my day? E be like say na inferiority complex dey worry you. You wan dey remind yourself say you and the original goat still dey gist.
I no fit dey my day when I see a friend in need.
See, if you no tell me why you dey call me just now, I go call this call.
Okay. I hear say you don score your first Europa League goal. Congratulations on top another milestone.
Thank you.
I wish you many more Europa goals this season and in the future seasons to come.
Your father, which future seasons?
No be you talk say you wan still dey play ball even past 2024?
You dey craze. You and who wan dey score Europa League goals for future seasons? If no be say better Champions League clubs no get money to buy me comot for this Man U, I no for dey here. And if dem no gree buy me for the next transfer window, I go make sure say I jack this Man U go carry Europa trophy. So that no matter wetin dem play for EPL, we must to go Champions League next season.
I bin wan ask how you go take jack Man U go carry the trophy, but I come remember say na muscle and six packs you dey take play ball these days.
Na your papa dey play ball with muscle.
No na good thing be that. More engine oil to your elbow. By the way, e get one small favour I go like ask make you do for me.
Wetin be that?
E don tey when I don dey try download that Europa League anthem for my pikin, but Google no gree show me based on say I dey Champions League. But as you dey Europa now, you fit help me download am?
Go ask your friends wey dey Baka. Dem suppose don download am by now.
Na wow, you dey form like say Europa League no dey sweet you. But na only you still go dey do see after you score PK against ordinary sheriff.
Your papa.
Hello,
Xavi, how far now?
this one wey dey call me. Wetin dey your mind?
I just say make I use this opportunity where the boys go international duty. Take congratulate you for the form wey you don carry back our reach now.
I dey smell something fishy for inside this your congratulation. E no pure.
No, my mind pure wella for this one. And I wan also tell you, say make you no too worry if you no fit win Bayern. We go help una revenge everything wey dem do una if we mistakenly catch dem for knockout stage.
Wait though, all this one wey dey from Big Brother Africa. I hope say you know say I no go pity you if I jam you for El Clasico.
No worry about that one. I know say una lifelong ambition na to dey win El Clasico. We go allow una win 1 or 2 this season, depending on the importance. But on the condition say una go dey escort us with this una form throughout the season to go carry the La Liga title. No be say as we dey lift La Liga, una go come dey 3rd or even 4th.
This man, I sure say he don dement.
And as for Champions League, based on say na we be the heavy lifters and big brothers of La Liga, I go like make una dey cheer us as we dey go lift the trophy for the betterment of the whole La Liga.
I don confirm say you dey high on fermented Igbo. Nonsense.
Oga Mourinho and Oga Klopp, una welcome.
Thank you, Kubala.
Kubala. Club, I hear say una carry £85 million go buy toothless bulldog. That is, na only Akamo him dey drink. And una come go dey compare am with Haaland.
Abeg leave am like that. Na time him need. Him go adapt.
Na true. Him go adapt when Man City don use like 30 points dey pass una. And e be like say Salah don join am comot all im teeth start dey swallow only Akamo.
You dey mad though. You don see Salah score against Ajax.
Ajax wey don sell all their better players come sell code join. Na him Salah score. And una even struggle to win themselves for una home.
Kubala, start your show before I leave you and this madman comot for here.
Okay, sir. People dey talk about the MNM trio based on say Mbappe don score 8 goals wey Neymar and Messi don assist am, but him never assist any of them. Oga Klopp, wetin you get to talk about am?
I hear say he dey in contract. Him sign become a legend contract for PSG. Everybody for PSG go dey assist am to become a legend. Until Messi tear that contract for PSG, Mbappe go dey misbehave.
People don dey talk say Bayern don dey get problem. Based on say na only 3 games dem don win inside the 7 wey dem don play for Bundesliga, wey make dem come dey 5th for table. Oga Mourinho, wetin you get to talk about am?
Bayern don get problem already. No be say dem don dey get. That their coach. Since him start to dey coach Bayern, I don dey suspect say him no sabi work. Just because say him get one lucky run for Leipzig, no mean say dem suppose carry team wey big pass him destiny give am to coach. Bayern get winning mentality already, so dem go dey win games initially no matter who dey coach dem. But as time start dey pass, breeze go blow, foul yansh go open and we go see am. Inside him and Neuer sef, I no sabi who senior. With the way things dey go now, Bayern fit even no carry that Bundesliga title.
But this same coach win Barca 2 times last season and once this season.
So you never hear say even if Bayern dey relegation now, dem go still knack Barca.